Hello YouTube, how's everybody doing? All right, today this video is about how to not repair your vehicle tire with this repair kit that they sell, with the plug. Don't do it. So my case, I got almost like a 2-inch nail or like a screw thing on the tire. So I had this kit lying around, so I tried to use it, and then made the hole, took out the nail, and then tried to insert that plug. It didn't work. After that I sprayed the soapy water. It's still leaking. So I brought it to Discount Tire, and then they found out that when while I was attempting to prep the hole, the existing hole, like almost 2-inch hole, I ended up making a second hole, and then they said they're not gonna repair a tire with like 2 holes next to each other. It's like against their policy, so they want me to buy a new one. Look at it. I mean, it has still good traits, but it's a bigger tire, so it's gonna cost. They said like $265, including installation and everything. So I'm like, let me think about it. So I went right down the street to another Spanish, those 24-hour Spanish tire repair shops. The guy said, I showed him there's a slide. The second hole is super small. He said, no problem. He can fix it. He said $30, 2 holes. I'll do $30, and he throw in balancing for another $10 and $40 balanced and tire repaired. So they almost gonna make me throw this tire away. Discount Tire. I mean, I love Discount Tire. They're the best. Their warranty and everything. When you buy tire from them, but their standard of fixing flat is a little bit high. Sometimes they have a policy, they don't fix some flats because of this, because of that, but it doesn't necessarily mean that the tire is non-repairable. They tell you, oh, it's non-repairable, but they have to have like a perfect scenario, like for them to repair if it's just only 1 hole or something. But yeah, but what I learned is basically don't try to attempt to use those repair kits and try to fix your tire. I mean, you're not saving anything. Any tire shops could fix it for you for like $20, $25, and then you're not gonna damage your tire and make a mess. So yep, this I'm just letting you know, like, if this helps anyone. All right, take care, guys.